Foremost means more. More training, more information, more ways to grow your business. Find out what Foremost can mean for you at foremostagent.com. Click on Foremost Means More.
As CEOs increasingly turn to social media to release material information about their companies, Beecher Carlson's Stephen Anderson says D&O insurance underwriters may be requesting more meetings with those CEOs as they evaluate the risks. In this interview with Carrier Management Suzanne Sclafane during the 2013 Plus D&O Symposium.
It's interesting, one of the speakers talked about the fact that 19% of major company CEOs, I believe was the number he used, currently have a Facebook account and use Twitter. And frankly, that was a higher percentage than I expected to hear in the room today. If I were a D&O underwriter in a crowd, I'd be very interested in knowing, who those CEOs are that represent the 19%. And not saying that it's a bad thing. I mean, clearly the way in which we communicate has changed and will change. So you're howling at the moon to say that, you're going to have to deal with your consumers and customers, vendors in a different way. I think the biggest issue that D&O underwriters have, though, is they like when companies operate within traditional channels for financial reporting. And there are enough D&O underwriters that have been in the business to remember, all of the financial statements and the financial meltdowns caused by, the Enrons and the WorldComs of the world. So they're going to get a little bit anxious over a new world in which, the communication coming from the CEO may be 24/7, 365. And so you're not just underwriting to the quarterly financial reports and the 10K and the proxy, you're underwriting to everything that the CEO may say during the course of the year. I don't know, I don't know that the companies can manage a CEO who, wants to use the mobile device and is enthused about the company and what's happening with the company and the latest news and wants to send out a, 140, character or less, message to people who are on Facebook watching Twitter. So I don't know that if the companies can control it, the D&O underwriters can control it. I do feel that part of the underwriting process is you're underwriting to the quality and the importance of the CEO to the company. And so that's part of the overall evaluation of the CEO. What I could foresee is in the future, D&O underwriters wanting to have at least one meeting annually with the CEO of the company. And historically, some CEOs make themselves available to meet with D&O underwriters, but very often it's the risk manager, maybe the general counsel, maybe the treasurer or the CFO. But I could see D&O underwriters wanting a little higher level access if social networking and social media is going to be a bigger part of the messaging of a company.